This next video, shared by Length1N on TikTok, shows a disturbing encounter that's likely left one homeowner rather uneasy. The footage, captured on a doorbell camera at approximately 10 PM at night, shows a woman approaching the front door. She appears to be aware that she's being recorded as she stares directly into the camera. She gazes into the camera for a few seconds, breathing heavily, before walking away without any explanation. So what compelled the woman to approach the porch in the middle of the night and stare into the camera before abruptly departing without a word? Numerous alarming possibilities exist. She may have been on drugs or perhaps scouting the location as a potential target for criminal activity. We'll leave this one up to you, the viewer, to decide. What do you think this woman was up to? Let us know down below.